got two turbos, yeah, they twins. Every time I'm on the track, it's a win. Know the deal when you hear the engine. Yeah, we steady popping like it's John Wick. Third degree, yeah, we lit. First place where we sit. I've been down, but I ain't never quit. Resurrected, now I feel like
Well, as you can see, it's hard to start on this Ignite Red. I'm gonna keep playing with it. May spray a little bit of brake cleaner in the intake manifold. We'll hit it to start. So anyways, I'll keep playing with it. All right, guys, it's third degree. We have figured out what the problem is. I called my man, Steve Ellis from Paramount Speed. Took a few minutes. He realized right quick that the timing was off. So I'm assisting with the teardown. So Steve's already tore it down and we're gonna retime it and hopefully that will fix the problem. But anyways, Steve is the man. If you guys want an engine built, holler at Steve Ellis over at Paramount Speeds. All right, I'll hit you back as soon as we get this thing buttoned up. We retimed the car, so we're gonna see if she starts up.
You got full pressure, you're good. Yep.
Hey, it's trying to start, so we're trying it. All right, so we figured out possibly it's in the tune. After doing a few checks, my buddy James Bigham from James B. Chess, he said, hey, load your old 1700 injector tune, which I have 2600 injectors in it now. So he said, load that tune just to eliminate some things. I was reluctant at first, but I had found the old tune and in one of my emails, loaded the tune, car fires right up and runs. So put a little heat in the motor and I'm just trying to get the motor to seat. So I'm gonna fire it up one more time, let it run just for a couple minutes and I'll shut it off. So anyway, so hopefully I'll send this to Rob and we can find out what's going on with the tune so we can get it figured out so we can get John Wick on the road. So she's alive. We're just gonna wait on the new tune. Hopefully we can get it on the dyno and get it working. Gotta go.
Burn out. You already know how this can turn out. Third degree.